Hello everyone, this is Tiash. Hope you all are doing well. Last week we went to Hawaii to spend our spring break. We waited so long for this vacation and finally the day is here. We reached to San Francisco airport at the early morning to board our flight from here. We couldn't sleep last night in excitement, so Akash fell asleep at the airport. What are you waiting for? Come with us now.
When you're here with us, you're in Hawaii. So please give us your attention. For your comfort and safety, please fasten your seatbelt. Keep your seatbelts fastened at all times when seated.
I must say, food and hospitality both were equally good in Hawaiian Airlines. Finally, we are in Hawaii at Honolulu Airport. We have to take our rented car to reach to our hotel. Please come with us. The night view from our hotel room is reminding me of our Vegas experience, except the beautiful sound of ocean wave. Fresh fish for dinner. Fish and rice is just not a food, it's an emotion. If you are a Bengali, then only you can understand it. And they were so yummy. Aloha! Good morning! We discovered this beautiful cafe in our neighborhood and we are going there for breakfast. We are so excited. Everything is so pretty here. I don't have proper words to describe the beautiful cafe. Spread the aloha. We are gonna explore few places nearby. Please join us.
Hi, this is Akash. I didn't want to go to any places. All I wanted to do was to swim in the beach like a dolphin.
Hawaii is so beautiful. It's like nature's own paradise. The colors are just perfect. The blues, the greens, the grays, the red, the yellow, the white, everything. It's like nature's own canvas. The God has painted it so well. Finally, we reach the temple and see how Akash is walking because he is not willing to go anywhere, only the beach. It's true, money can't buy happiness, but money can buy a ticket to Hawaii and you can be happy. Isn't it? And also, you can shop. That makes my soul happy. Every time I see a sunset by the beach, I feel this is the best one. But I think this one is the best one I have ever seen. Mesmerizing sunset by the beach. Tell me, friends, isn't it beautiful? Please write your comments below if you like this sunset. We witnessed a sunset together. Good morning again. We are going to have our breakfast in a new cafe today. And while going, we saw these cute little birds. Do you know their name, guys? Please write in the comment below if you know their name because I want to know.
Hi, Akash again. So we bought the tickets for the Pineapple Express train ride and we also bought them for the Pineapple Express garden maze. First, we're going to ride the train. Choo choo.
After that, our conductor will assist you from seeing from the front of the train to the back. Depending on your party size.
To prepare the field for planting, the ground is plowed and mixed with fertilizer, resulting in a fine, nutrient-rich soil. Next, strips of thin plastic mulch are laid in the field. The plastic mulch helps to confine the fumigant, retain moisture, and the pineapple plants plowed under. The lab then lays pallet the fruit based on size and shell color and carefully pack them into boxes. Roughly half of the red pineapple chocolate is made from the beans that are inside the pods.
Celebrate your life, you are so nice, that's the
Next, we went to the pineapple garden maze, but my mom forgot to take the video of that, so she's very sorry for that. Here's the best time of the day. I'm tasting fresh pineapple ice cream with fresh pineapple toppings. Here is a big rainbow captured by me. Do you like it?
Hello friends, it's Tia Shegen. Look at the newlywed beautiful couple. We are blessed to see them at the same beach cafe. They are enjoying their beautiful moments. Life is beautiful, though sometimes we forget that, isn't it, guys?
Just a small town girl. Living just a city boy. Wondering inside Detroit. Took the midnight train over there.
Good morning again. We are very sad today because we have to leave from Hawaii. But we are taking the beautiful memories with us, and definitely we will come back here again. Thank you for watching the video and staying with us. Mahalo.
Thank you guys. This is Akash. Hope you like our video.